Welcome everyone to a complete guideline on web development. I am discussing in series about web development. There will be 7 series, and this is the third part of the series. And today we are going to show you. I'm going to show you. I'm going to teach you how you can connect your HTML page with the CSS file, and how many ways you can style your web page. Okay, how many ways you can style with CSS. All right. Um, if you are visiting this YouTube channel or watching this web development guide, complete web development guide series, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new part of this series, you can get a notification. All right, let's start. Without further ado, I want to start coding and show you how you can start learning to code or program without spending a single dime, and where you can learn all these valuable skills, priceless skill sets from right from today, just using your computer and internet connection. All right, let me open my Git bash. I just type here Git and I can see Git bash has been popped up, and just I press enter and Git bash will open on my computer. And this is the uh, Git bash. Actually, Git bash is nothing but a software or technology, okay, um, that uh, helps us to manage our project in very fast and easy manner. Okay, I just press Ctrl plus and it will be bigger in font size, and press Ctrl minus and it will make smaller. Ctrl plus it will make bigger. Okay, I just tell Git, hey Git, change directory means go to, change means go to, change means change directory, directory means folder. Change your location from Git to desktop. Okay, change directory, and I am now on my desktop. Always look at the end of this line, and whatever the word you can find here, you are there. Okay, and now I just say mkdir means make directory. Directory means folder, make folder. And yesterday, actually we made folder. Just I write another command, that is ls. Ls means show list, and press enter. I can see lot of files and folders on my desktop. Okay, uh, and we are working on web dev environment, I guess. Okay, web dev environment. So I just say cd means change directory, go from desktop to web dev environment. I'm telling my Git cd change directory means go to or change directory and space, and I type web dev underscore, then tab button. Remember, Git bash is very intelligent software and it can understand what you are going to do. If you just give hints, it can do the rest. I just type web dev underscore, then I press tab button, and it understands what I am looking for. Okay, now I am inside the web dev environment and I just check what do I have inside the web dev environment. Just type ls and press enter, and I can see I have assets folder, I have CSS folder, and I have JS folder, and index.html file are in black color, and folders are in blue colors. You see, blue color. All right. Now I'm going to open web dev underscore environment. How I can open it? I just type code. It's the name of the code editor. Code VS Code, Visual Studio Code, and in brief, I wrote code, then a space and dot, okay, then press enter, and it will open my code editor automatically. I'm not opening it; it's being opened by Git, okay, and we are inside of it now. Okay, now I'm going to show you how we can connect. Number one, how we can connect. Okay, so how we connected it? First, I delete it. I just delete the connection. Okay, right button click, reveal in File Explorer. Okay, go to reveal in File Explorer. Okay, then just double click on index.html file. You see, there is no color because I just removed the link. There was a link of the CSS. It was connected with HTML file, but I removed the link and now it has been disconnected. Now I'm going to connect it again. To connect this HTML file, this is HTML file, this file, okay? And this is style.css is a HTML file, a CSS file. I'm going to connect this file, this HTML file with this CSS file, okay? How I can do it? Go to index.html file, okay, then just type link, okay, link, press enter, and we can see link. It has only one opening tag, no closing tag. There are some HTML tag that don't have uh, closing tags, okay, so these are exceptional. All right, most of the HTML tags have closing tag or close element, closing tag, we say closing tag, and some of the HTML elements don't have closing tag. Now, how we can connect? href, hyper reference. In short, we write href. It is an attribute. What is attribute? Attribute gives extra information about the HTML tag. So href is telling we have a CSS file and it is inside of the CSS folder. Okay, here is a CSS file inside the CSS folder. Okay, and I just write the name of the folder, then press enter, and it's showing what are the files inside the CSS folder. I see only one file. This is style.css, CSS file. .css means CSS file. .html means HTML file. .js means JavaScript file. .py means Python file. .java means Java programming file. Okay, then press enter and Control S. I save it. I save the connection. Now, if I go to my web page and reload, reload the page, and I can see the color has come back. Okay, that means it has been connected successfully. Okay, now without this connection, still we can we can actually style our CSS. Okay, now I again what I have done, I just inactivate. Okay, so this is not working. How I can be sure? I just go back and reload, and I see there is no color. That means no more connection. Okay, now I'm going to show you 3 ways how you can style it. Now I take the body tag, and here I just write style, and say uh, background color is red, say for example. Okay, now we can style within the line. This is called inline CSS. Okay, inline CSS. So I just refresh and I see the website become red. Means it's working even without connecting the HTML file with CSS. We can style just writing our style code or CSS code, just writing inside the HTML. Okay, this is called inline CSS. Okay, now I want to make this one. Okay, I want to style a style. I say color is green, say for example green. Okay, and I see h1 will be green. Okay, just go and reload. This become green. All right, so powerful languages CSS. Okay, cascading style sheet. Now I remove this inline CSS. Okay, now I want to show you the second way how we can style without connecting uh, CSS file, without connecting CSS file with HTML. How we can do it? Inside the head tag, I can just write style, okay, style, then press enter, and I can say body uh, background background to be uh, yellow, say for example, okay, and let's go and check whether it has become yellow. Boom, it has become yellow. So we can also style writing style or CSS code inside the head tag. Okay, inside the head tag. Now I'm going to show you the third way you can style it. Now I remove it. Okay, and I already shown you the third way how we can do it. We can connect CSS file with HTML tag, then save and go back and refresh. Thus we can style. So I don't want to make this video longer. I have shown you 3 ways you can style your pages, websites, web application, and your software. Okay, and CSS is very powerful tools, powerful technology. HTML is very amazing. So if you just learn HTML and CSS in just 1 month or 2 months, you can still design and develop your web pages, create your web pages, create your website, create small games, and create your uh, own website. And actually, you don't need anything. What you need is just an internet connection, a laptop. Okay, you don't need to buy fancy softwares, you don't need to invest anything, and you can learn it free. Where I showed you, go to uh, W3 schools, W3 schools, and just watch this 7 series of guidelines on my YouTube channel. Learn the basic foundational course on web design and development, and start coding yourself. Just come here. Okay, tutorials are here. Whatever you want to learn, just click on HTML. You can learn HTML by yourself, because now you know how to prepare the dev environment, how to connect the CSS file, how to select the CSS selector, CSS properties, how to use them. Just you need to practice at least 1 hour every single day, and within 2 months you will become a web designer or web developer. Actually, to become a web developer, you have to learn another programming language, that is JavaScript. Okay, tomorrow in the fourth part 4, we are going to discuss about one more concept: how we can style every content in a robust way, how we can make it more stunning, more beautiful, more amazing pages. Okay, and definitely this complete web development guideline is free for you on my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. By subscribing this channel, you are saving $10,000, because if you go to a bootcamp, you have to pay at least $10,000 to learn all these technologies. Okay, and don't forget to also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get a notification. All right, and if you want to make your learning experience more smooth, amazing, exceptional, interesting, and fast, I am here to help you. Just shoot me an email. Okay, you can get the email address just below this video and let me know. I'll be there to coach you, to teach you one-on-one basis or in a batch. I teach also in batches. Just you can say hello and I'll be there to help you. Okay, and if you don't watch a complete web development guideline or a complete guideline on web development, the last 2 series, 2 parts, go back and watch them and learn step by step. I am giving you a solid foundation on it. You can work on this foundation by yourself and become a web developer without spending a single dime. At the same time, if you want to make it more interesting, more faster, okay, we are there to help you. Okay, and we are very much affordable. Not me, one of my friends, he's also teaching with me, and one of my another friends, she's also with us to help you. So we are 3 people helping global people to learn coding and computer programming. All right, so thank you so much for watching our video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and make uh, beautiful comments. Okay, it will inspire us to make some more videos like this one and help the global community. Thank you so much. See you in the next series tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we will be discussing on a really useful concept on box modeling. Okay, how we can actually style our contents more efficiently, more beautifully, more exceptionally. All right, thank you so much. See you tomorrow.